makes it. Yeah. Oh, my window's down.
Is this your parade lap? Is this your parade lap? God damn. What the fuck was that?
Transmission crying in pain.
Andre's sliding towards a car. You're stuck in the middle of a parking lot.
I am.
Oh shit.
Andre's stuck.
Oh, he's going for the reverse donuts. Oh, he's trying. Oh, that's sweet. Did it just stall?
Did it die?
Dude, I thought he blew up. Cop shows up. It's like, you guys having shenanigans down here? Well, we're trying, officer.
The clutch is flipping.
Barely.
This is his
Oh,
first
sick.
round. Leave him alone.
No, dude, dude, last time we were out here was embarrassing. Oh my god. Oh! I got distracted. Floors it to dust me, stops moving. Do you think he's even glanced at the temp gauge?
Shit's overheating.
Dude, I think he's having such a good time.
He does not care.
Well, that's the whole thing. It's his car. He's enjoying it. That's what matters. Also, it already has a blown head gasket.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that.
Yeah, he's just enjoying her. Worst case, we just grab an M54 and take care of it. That sounds like a bad idea. Fuck yeah. No, I didn't say no. I never said no.
Well, give me a push just so I can start getting it out.
With the X3?
He didn't like that.
And now I trip you.
You're lying. That did not clear the check engine.
Just came back.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, here started running like.
I can still see that light. Oh, you motherfucker. This fucking-
Fuck the Hyundai.
Why is it literally in the middle of the lot? I didn't think you realized I was up to third in that thing.
Oh, nice.
See, I. This is. Oh! The snow threw me off. Whoops. I don't know. I'm not gonna stop. Maybe consider throwing it out. Yeah, no, snow went in my ear and I just lost all focus. Everybody appreciates that.
think he did. Fuck.
I'm gonna get hit by a Saab. Oh my God, he got scared of me that time. I can move. I'll run when I need to. Like now. Now would be a good time to run. He needs an LSD. He really does. That thing, it just, there's no lockup at all. And it's such a big diff to be so open. I swear, every time I get a camera, this guy. Are you getting scared you're gonna take my knees out?
I'm sorry, it's just not liking it for some reason.
Oh, okay.
I need to like do a good one.
Dude, the
It's
first...
not intentional at all.
Oh, I thought you were just scared to hit me after you got close the one time. Because after you got close that one time, you weren't liking it. Okay. Because I was there. Because I'd get back another couple feet to fix that.
Oh.
You were in there. Up to you if you want to make another run.
I will, yeah.
He's going to T-bone you right here. Now I need to magically hold the camera still while doing that.
Yeah.
That's not gonna happen. That's not bad. He just has so much less control on that front wheel drive. He's getting consistent. Oh, I feel bad. Okay, so if I get back, he can probably do way better then. He stalled? Shit. He's just lifting where I throttle through and go around. But then it handles amazing. That was great. See, he like came in hard and then he lifted. He's not sure about it. The car's there if he wants it to be. We're about to watch him just plant in a snowbank.
Yeah.
I feel like I just saw smoke.